Mourinho hasn't officially returned to Real Madrid yet, but before even stepping into an El Clasico, he has already started hitting Barcelona. He really wants to steal the Barca fans' dream summer transfer. Mourinho agreed to return to Real Madrid with 4 major conditions: no interference from the board in training, no unnecessary press conferences, and full control over summer transfers. And Real Madrid's first signing this summer was expected to be a centre-back. And Gvardiol was offered to Madrid, but Mourinho completely rejected it because Mourinho's first signing target for Madrid this summer is Barcelona's dream signing, Bastoni.